One of the hottest and fastest growing segments of the crypto market is called farming as a service, FAAS for short. Think of it like yield farming, except rather than you having to do any of the work, you just invest in a project, they do the yield farming for all of their holders and redistribute the profits back. So this has been a very interesting segment because it is generating significant returns for investors, not only in the appreciation of their tokens, but also in the from yield farming, from the profits generated from yield farming. So I was doing a bit of digging and found one project in particular that really differentiates itself from all of the other projects because they act more as a hedge fund, like the next generation of hedge funds, because not only do they do yield farming, but they also invest in different meme coins, different large and mid-cap cryptos, and they flip NFTs. So all of the profits they generate are redistributed back to holders, not only from yield farming, but also from their profits from NFTs, their profits from, trading different cryptos. So today I want to talk about a project called Altcoin's Yield Capital, ACYC, because they are really the next generation of investing, almost a Web 3.0 DeFi hedge fund. And this is something that is very, very exciting because it gives people exposure to a wide range of products in the crypto market without them having to do it themselves. They invest in the one project, they get exposure to meme coins, large and mid-cap cryptos, NFTs, and yield farming. So all of the benefits of the crypto space. So Altcoin's Yield Capital is a rapidly growing project. I came across it the other day because a couple of you guys pointed it out to me on Twitter, and it already has a $25 million market cap in 50 days since launching. So this coin is obviously getting a lot of traction, and I think it's really because of three things that they do. The first is going to be with regard to their trading algorithms. Like I said, they invest into different meme coins, large and mid-cap cryptos. And when you look at how they actually go about picking their investments, this is the most important thing. Whether you're talking about an ETF in the stock market, whether you're talking about a hedge fund, you want to invest in people who know what they're doing or into trading algorithms that have been profitable. So when you look first at their first trading algorithm, it is called PAN, P-A-N. It focuses on investing in newly listed, extremely high risk, high reward tokens. These you can think of like meme coins. The benefit of investing into ACYC versus a meme coin directly is that when you pick a meme coin, you are risking a significant portion of your money because any given meme coin can fail completely. But when you invest into a project that invests into multiple meme coins, you get broader exposure to the meme coin market and you sort of limit your downside. You're more diversified. And that is exactly what their trading algorithm, PAN, does. It invests into multiple different high-risk, high-reward meme coins, and all it takes is one of these 200x to really generate significant profits. The second trading algorithm they have is called DIONE. This focuses on buying the dip of larger, mid-tier risk tokens, flipping those purchases quickly for a profit, and reinvesting those back into yield farming. So everything they do is focused on generating profits, whether that's from meme coins, whether that's from investing in large and mid-cap cryptos, generating profits, investing that back into yield farming, so then you and any of the holders can receive, passive income. So that is the second trading algorithm. And so now the second portion, the second thing that I think really differentiates them, why I really like them, is what they do with DeFi yield farming, and that is what they call Titan. So all of the profits from any of the investments they make, whether that's from, meme coins, large mid-cap cryptos, NFTs, all of this is reinvested back into their DeFi yield farming called Titan. This is very important because yield farming generates significant profits. Many people generate over 1,000% annually. It happens all the time from yield farming, and with the profits they're generating, they're able to put this back into yield farming, redistribute that back to the holders. Third thing is going to be with them investing into NFTs. So one of the most interesting things about this project, ACYC, is that they invest into NFTs when I don't see any other project doing this. There's a lot of farming as a service projects, but very few of them give you exposure to the NFT market. And the way that ACYC works is that they invest directly into NFTs for you. You can check their NFT collection on OpenSea. They have some mutant apes. They have a number of high value NFTs, and they've been consistently flipping these for a profit over the last couple of months. So every time that they buy an NFT, then they flip it for a profit. That profit goes back into yield farming, so then you guys and any of the holders can generate more profit, more passive income. So these are the main reasons why I have invested and looked into the project as of recently, is because some of you guys pointed out to me on Twitter, and I found it very interesting that not only do they do farming as a service with yield farming, but they also invest directly into meme coins, into, mid-cap cryptos, and into NFTs. Last thing I want to talk about is going to be with their tokenomics, because this is very important. When you look at their tokenomics, what you could see is that there is a 10% buy tax. 10% of each buy is auto-reflected to reward all ACYC holders. You don't need a stake, you don't need to claim anything, automatically reflected into your wallet. Second thing is 10% sales tax. 10% of each sale is currently being split between rewarding holders and funding their treasury. And the interesting thing about this is that treasury is what helps them continue to make more investments, continue to fuel that yield farming aspect of the project. You can track all of this on their dashboard, very well put together dashboard, where you can see how much money is in their treasury. You could see how much money is in each trading algorithm, whether that's Dione, you could see 320,000, whether that's Atlas, you could see that has 531,000. You can see every single aspect with the specific wallet address of their project, whether that's them investing into NFTs, whether that's each individual trading algorithm. You can track exactly how much is in each of these wallets. So this is something very different from any other platform I've seen. I've not seen any platform or any project where you invest in it. They act as almost a hedge fund in the DeFi space. They invest into meme coins, regular cryptocurrencies. They invest into NFTs, and they also give you exposure just to yield farming. I haven't seen any project like that until ACYC, and that is why I find it very, very interesting and seems like a pretty solid investment. The only thing I would say is that when you're investing into any project like this, like a hedge fund or an ETF or whatever it is, you need to make sure that the trading algorithms, whoever's picking the investments, has had a good track record. That's what I would look at. And when you look at their track record, you look at the investments they've made, you look at the NFTs they've purchased, they've done very well as of recently. They've only been around for 50 days, but based on their market cap already being $23 million, based on how rapidly they have grown and that they're already traded on Bitmart, BKEX, and Uniswap, I would say this project definitely worth taking a look at. Let me know your thoughts on it, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. See ya.